Hello friends, welcome to Electronics for You. In this video, I will explain stack related concept in 8051 microcontroller. And following topics will be covered for this video. What is stack? Then function of stack pointer, operation of stack, and lastly I will explain push and pop instruction for 8051 microcontroller. So let us start with the concept of stack and stack pointer. The stack is the section of internal RAM used by CPU to store information temporarily. Note here that we store information temporarily in this case, and here it is a portion of internal RAM. Means if we store information in the internal RAM of microcontroller, then this portion is known as stack. This information could be data or an address. So here note that stack can be a data or the address. The CPU needs this storage area since there are only limited number of registers. We know that in case of microcontroller 8051 there are registers named from R0 to R7. So only 8 registers are there because we can use only one register bank at a time, and therefore this is the limited memory. And if you want to store a huge amount of data, in that case generally stack is used. We can store the successive data. In this case, the register to access the stack is called stack pointer. So a register which is used to access this data is known as stack pointer. This stack pointer register is a 8-bit register and its address is 81H. It can point any location between 00H to FFH. So here note that it is an 8-bit register. So 8-bit register in hexadecimal can be indicated an address with 00H to FFH, and here therefore its range of memory address that it can access is 00H to FFH. Stack pointer is used to hold the address of top of the stack. Generally when we say in stack pointer 30H is installed, it means that it is indicating the address of top of the stack. This 30H will be the top of a stack. The address held in the stack pointer is the location in internal RAM where the last byte of the data was stored by the stack operation. For example, if stack pointer is having 30H, it means that it is the last location which is having data. Reset value for stack pointer is 07H. It means that after resetting the microcontroller, stack pointer will automatically reset to value 07H instead of 00H. Now let us talk about the stack operation in 8051. Note here that 8051 has two different operations, one when we stores the data and another one while getting the data from the stack. Let us talk about storing the data on stack. If our stack pointer is having value 07H, means it is indicating the address on which the current data is going to be installed. Here SP equals to 07H will increase to 08H and then it will store data. Note that while storing data, first the address of stack pointer is incremented and later the data is stored here. So from 07H to 08H will be there. After storing the data at 08H, again the address of stack pointer will increase. Definitely this address increment will go after some instruction. The next address, as it is in hexadecimal, it is 0AH. So while storing data, initially the address is incremented and data is stored later. So this is the operation of storing the data. Now let us talk about another one, that is getting data from the stack. So while getting data from the stack, first the operation will be of getting data. It means that the data at 0AH. Note here that again, generally stack pointer indicates the top of the stack. Here this 0AH is the top of stack where we have installed the last data, and therefore this 0AH is having some data, and after some instruction, while getting this stack data, first we will get data from 0AH, and then stack pointer will decrement to 09H. Later again, first we will get data here from 09H, and then address is decremented and so on. So after 08H, getting data from 08H, we will get 07H as the address of stack pointer. This is the stack operation generally takes place, and this operation is basically based on two instructions. These are the push instruction and pop instruction. Any 8-bit data can store and retrieve from the stack using push and pop instruction. So while storing the data, we use a push instruction, and while getting data, we use pop instruction for the stack. So push is used to store an 8-bit data in the stack. And as I have already explained the operation previously about the stack, note that push, after this push instruction, first there will be the increment in the address, and later the data will get stored. For example, if the RAM location is 40H, then first it will increment to 41H, and at this 41H the data which is to be stored will be stored here. This is the push instruction. Now in case of pop instruction, it is used to get data from the stack, and it first stores the number or a value from the top of the stack, whichever address it is indicating, and then the stack address is decremented here in case of pop instruction. Other instructions which affects the operation of 8051 are ACALL, LCALL, RET and RETR. Here ACALL stands for absolute call, LCALL means long call. It's the return instruction, and this is return from the interrupt instruction. All these instructions are related with the subroutine, and here it will perform the subroutine operation after this instruction, and therefore the operation of stack may get affected if we use this instruction. The stack pointer can be initialized to any internal RAM address by the programmer by writing the required address in stack pointer special function address of 81H. As I have already told, the address for 8051 is 81H, and stack pointer can be initialized by this address whenever we use, say, move 81H comma hash 30H. It means that we have installed 30H on the 81H, and likewise. So that's all for the day. This was all about the stack pointers in 8051 microcontroller. Friends, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.